In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily turn on debug logs for guests in Salesforce in just 5 minutes. Debug logs are incredibly useful tools that let you track issues and understand the behavior of your application by capturing detailed information about events happening within Salesforce. Particularly when it comes to guest users, activating these logs will give you insights into their interactions and troubleshoot potential issues with guest access. First, let's start by logging into your Salesforce account. Head over to your preferred web browser and enter your Salesforce URL. Provide your login credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Salesforce homepage. The homepage might appear a bit busy with lots of information, but don't worry, everything you need to do next is quite straightforward. Next, navigate to the Setup menu. You'll find this at the top right corner of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu. Select Setup to dive into Salesforce's advanced options. Setup is essentially the command center where admins can tweak the configuration of Salesforce, adjust features, and manage the settings that control how Salesforce behaves behind the scenes. With the Setup page open, it's time to utilize the Quick Find box. You should see this on the left-hand side of your screen. Type debug logs into the Quick Find box and press enter. This search will pull up an option under logs to manage your debug logs. Click on debug logs to proceed. Now that we're in the debug logs section, you'll see a button labeled new. Go ahead and click it. This is where you create a new debug log entry, an essential step to capture specific logging details. The next part is crucial. You need to specify the traced entity. Here, you'll select the guest user. A drop-down will appear, and you should choose the guest profile associated with the site for which you want to enable the logs. This selection targets the specific guest user interactions you are interested in monitoring. After selecting the guest user, you can set the debug log levels. In this section, decide on the granularity of the information you wish to capture. The settings range from finest to none, and each level varies in detail and performance impact. Carefully choose a level that balances getting the necessary information without overly impacting system performance. Finally, once you're satisfied with your trace settings and log levels, hit Save. This action activates the debug logs. From this point on, guest user activity will be tracked and recorded in the logs, allowing you to review their behavior and diagnose any issues that may arise. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on debug logs for guest users in Salesforce. With this setup, you'll have the insights you need to maintain smooth user experiences and keep your system running optimally.